Shulux is a game-changing tool that helps you to understand the voice of the customer that is purchasing products online. You can understand its behavior and the expectations that the customers are having from the products and the companies that are selling the products. And if you're the one who want to enter the market with new products, and or you are an existing seller and want to improve your product quality, then this product can actually be game changing. And you can also do better ads. Not only ads, you can also do competitive research, strategic research, and all that with this one tool only. So in this specific video, we are going to talk about its Shulux Copilot that uses ChatGPT to help you with your various questions and queries regarding the market and specific e-commerce products or sites. So let's quickly get in and see what this tool is and how it can help you. Shulux offers its Copilot ChatGPT e-commerce extension that you can use freely on various browsers including Chrome and Edge. It supports all the major e-commerce platforms including Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more. The extension is able to help you do the market research, competition research, listing optimization, and much more. So guys, using the extension or the Copilot of Shulux ChatGPT e-commerce extension is very easy. All you have to do is to install the extension in your browser. You can pin it and you can access it from the extensions area. Just click on it and you can access it. You can find all the settings over here. In the general, you can set its language, clear the cache. In the sidebar, you can access the shortcut key through which you can launch the extension. You can also enable the sidebar icon to always display or not to display. I have enabled it so I can see it right here. Okay, so it will be displayed all the time, but if you don't want it to display all the time, you can just disable this function right from the here. And you can also see some settings in the quick lookup where you can select some text and you can easily translate it. So if I enable this feature, I go over here, I have searched something in Hindi and I can just click on it or select the text and I will be able to get this option pop up from Shulux. If I click on this option, I will be able to translate all the text that I had selected in different language, and it is now translated and I can see it from here and can copy it and paste anywhere or utilize it or just read it. Okay, and coming back to the extension, you can also access it from your account. Just log into your Shulux account, go to AI chat and you can access the extension features right here. And yeah, you can also manage all the notification or see all the notifications here. Okay, and coming back to some of the features, you can ask anything about the products, about the market research, about how the customers are responding to a specific technology that is coming in the market. And you can also ask about a specific product, whether what are their pros and cons, their user scenario, their key features. Okay, and you can do comparative analysis right from here, so you don't have to go anywhere. Just type in what you want. So for example, I'm just gonna type about this product on Amazon, so I will copy the link of this product till here. Just ask what are the benefits of this product. Okay, I have pasted the link that I copied from Amazon, just enter it there, and it is going to give me all the benefits of this product using the ChatGPT. And it's saying the product you link to is a wireless gaming headset from NUBWO. Some of the benefits of this product include wireless connectivity, crystal clear sound, noise cancellation, microphone, comfortable design, and in overall the NUBO wireless gaming headset is a great choice for gamers who want a high quality audio experience without being tethered to their device. So this is how you can get some information, and you can also ask the pros and cons of the product. What are the pros and cons of this product? Okay, so it is also gonna give me some pros and the cons about the product. In the pros, we also have some of the features like wireless connectivity, high quality sound, noise cancellation, comfortable design, compatibility with various devices including PC, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. And some of the cons are also there. So this is very easy to use. You can also do some market research based on the questions you have in your mind, and then you can also see its ask feature that is having like plenty of features. Click on this all functions button over here. You can access all of them here. You can translate any language. Okay, just paste the text over here, select the language, submit it, and you can translate it like we did early. Okay, and coming back to all the extensions, your listing optimization feature, Amazon keywords, listing generator, similar products, negative review response. You can easily respond to the negative reviews. You can find similar products and do category research. You can write FAQs. You can do consultation. Okay, and you can write the SEO articles as well and improve the search engine rankings for your website or for your blog. You can also do search engine ads based on the data, based on the research. It analyzes all the data from single product and gives you the best possible information that it can, based on how customers are reacting, what customers are looking at, what are the expectations, and overall behavior. Gives a lot of data about the ads. And you can also do social media post writing and social media replies using this tool. The extension works perfectly with Amazon, like vidIQ for YouTube. If you are on a single product listing, for example, I click on this digital camera, click on the single product page, then you can see I have enabled the extension and it will pop up right here on the page. And here I can see the SN that I can copy. It is copied now. I can utilize this code or SN code in my software for computation analysis and all the other stuff. And I can easily click on this review analysis to see the customer profile, pros and cons, usage scenario, customer expectation, purchase motivators, and everything about the product. But it takes a little bit of time, and yeah, now you can see all the pros and cons, usage scenario. Okay, customers have found the camera to be great, creative photography, okay, travel and lighting, all that stuff. So how the users are using the product, 31% of people are using it for creative photography, and customers are expecting improvements, optical stabilization in the product, color science, and better picture quality, durability, and all of this. So this is how you can do review analysis, listing optimization, and queue analysis right from the single product page on Amazon using Sholex. You can also do a full analysis by clicking on this full insights button over here, and this works perfectly well. So guys, coming to the pricing of this tool, it has 3 different plans: personal, team, and enterprise. If you're an individual, personal plan is good for you, but if you want to look broad, or if you want to do more queries, you want to do in-depth analysis, you want to create more reports, you want to do better comparison analysis, you want to have more power with this tool, then definitely team plan is worth it, and I totally recommend this plan because you may need this plan anyhow. But if you are into this business, then definitely you can go with it. But if you want to just try out Sholex, then you can go with the personal plan. With a team plan, you get like 4 accounts and add more people, and you get customer analysis topics, you get free com extension, Copilot. With the Copilot, you get like thousands of queries a day compared to the 120 queries a day in the personal plan. and you get in-depth analysis of a single ASIN, which you also got in the personal plan, and Amazon review analysis of multiple ASINs, and Amazon Q&A analysis, AI listing optimization, 50 queries in a day you can do for the listings, and competitive analysis, and hundreds of reports in a single day. So this is all that you get in our team plan. And if you go yearly billing, you get 2 months off, because now it costs you $3,000 compared to $300 a month. So you get 2 months technically off when you go with the yearly billing, and can save like 25%. So this is how you can buy this tool.